Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody was asking me a question about hairlines, and then when they fill it in, they have open lines. So this line is open, it doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't extend to anywhere. If you use the Smart Fill tool, it fills it all in, regardless if there's a line there or not. There's no visible lines there. I don't care how thick the line is. This is, if you look, this is 16 points and this is 10 and through 4 and all the way down the hairline. The Smart Fill tool doesn't really work like that. If we draw two lines here and then use a Smart Fill, the Smart Fill tool is kept out of those lines because there's a line blocking it. There's nothing blocking it here. The only way you can use this with the Smart Fill tool, if you would take these lines and go up to Object and convert outline to an object. And you see it almost made the hairline disappear, but if we use the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and then move it out of the way and even make it look a little bit better, we'll put a background of yellow behind it, go to Object and Order and back a page. There are 7 lines, and if you ever want to, you can't really see them, here's a good little trick. If you ever want to count things, just select them, and right there it says there's 7 objects selected. So there's 7 lines, and you can barely see the 7th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's right there. It's so fine because it's a hairline, but all 7 lines are there. But you have to convert them to an object to get it to do that. Hope that makes sense, and thank you for watching.